Hello my bunnies, welcome back. Today we're going to be making 2-minute chocolate cake. It is so rich, so yummy, and it's all like melty and gooey on the inside. It is like the perfect chocolate cake. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to make this with you. So let's get started. So first we're gonna take all the dry ingredients and mix them together in the bowl. This recipe is also a 1-bowl recipe. So we are mixing everything together in the container that we're going to bake it in, which is a mug. So we're gonna add some flour, some sugar, cocoa powder, some baking powder, and the salt, and then just whisk that all together. You wanna make sure that you whisk all the way down to the bottom because flour always seems to get stuck at the bottom and it like never mixes fully for me. So you wanna make sure you get your whisk like all the way down and mix it all nice together. And I just spilled, but that's okay. It's not like I'm filming this or anything. And now it is time for our wet ingredients, and we're just gonna add these straight into this bowl. So we're gonna add some melted butter, some milk, an egg, and some vanilla extract. And for the melted butter and the milk, you want those to both be room temperature. And the reason why is because if the milk is too cold or if it's like not room temperature, it can like solidify the butter, so the butter won't stay liquid and then the texture might be a little off. So measure the milk ahead of time and have it sitting at room temperature for like half an hour maybe before you start cooking. And everything will work perfectly. Same goes for the egg as well, because that can solidify your butter too. And it sounds really complicated, but you know, like I forget to do it a lot of times and it works out fine, so like don't worry. just forget everything I just said. And just like the dry ingredients, we're gonna mix this all together and look at that chocolatey goodness. Like how rich and yummy does that look? So there is another recipe that I know that you guys love, and if you've missed it, it's my like, what is it, like 2-minute iced tea, and it actually works. I use this all the time. It's, oh my God, it's so much easier. So check it out after this video. It's a pinned comment as well. Okay, so now I'm just gonna, hope it doesn't fly at me, remove the whisk. And now we are going to take this 2-minute chocolate cake. We're gonna make it extra chocolatey, okay? So I have some plain chocolate bar. Paddington, he knows I'm cooking and he's like, ooh, let me check out what you have. All right, anyway, so we're gonna break this chocolate bar into its 4 squares and stick them directly into the center of the cake. There we go, look at that. So now we're gonna pop this mug into either the oven or the microwave. So if you're cooking it in the oven, you wanna pop it in at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. If it's larger, maybe like 13 or something, but you guys are here for like the short method. So we're gonna pop it in the microwave. It's not gonna get rubbery, don't worry. For about 1 minute, 20 seconds if you are serving 2. So if you made this mixture and you're dividing it into 2 mugs instead of 1, but I'm hungry and this is a big mug, so I'm gonna pop this into the microwave for about 2 minutes. Okay, so I am back from my microwave. So I'm just gonna, cat paws. They are just as hard to handle as if you had real cat paws, I feel. Okay, so while I was waiting for it to cool, I got some freshly whipped cream. All this is whipping cream with like a little bit of icing sugar and a little bit of vanilla, and I whipped it up until stiff peaks formed. See, it's like not, oh, it's moving a little bit. All right, well, oh, that's egg whites. That's egg whites. If you hold it over your head, it doesn't fall. That is not cream. Anyways, we're going to dollop this on top of the cake to make it like even better, because it's just, I don't even need to tell you why. Like it's just better. Oh my gosh. So it is perfectly cooked. It's not like spongy like a lot of microwave cakes are. And it's very gooey on the inside because of the chocolate that we added. I'm sure I have it on my teeth, oh my God. So I'm gonna go and eat this whole thing, and I will see you guys next Wednesday for a new video.